How to withdraw Sweatcoins to GCash. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you have been working stacking Sweatcoins and you are wondering, can I actually turn this into a real cash on GCash? The answer is yes, but there are some few steps involved. Let me walk you through how to convert your Sweatcoins into real money via GCash, fast, secure, and beginner friendly. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and convert your Sweatcoins into Sweat tokens. So we need to turn your in-app Sweatcoins into cryptocurrency, especially Sweat tokens. Go ahead and open your Sweatcoins application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. And after you log in, you want to go ahead and tap on Crypto tab. If you're not seeing the Crypto tab in your Sweatcoins app, you're not alone. This feature isn't available to all users by default. If you would like to enable and access your Sweat tokens, go ahead and simply tap on your initial right over here, then tap on settings like icon. And then you'll be able to find Earn Sweat Crypto. Go ahead and tap onto it, and then you want to go ahead and enable this feature. Before you enable this feature, you need to go ahead and install Sweat Wallet. So once you have done that, you'll see an option to convert your Sweatcoins to Sweat tokens. Go ahead and confirm the conversion. And now you officially own your crypto, and that's one step done. Next, move the Sweatcoins to exchange that supports it. I recommend using Qcoins, Bybit, or OKX. All this support Sweats. Sign up to the exchange, complete the KYC if needed, and then go to deposit. Select Sweats, copy your deposit address, and back in Sweat Wallet, send your tokens to the address. You need to double check the address before sending because crypto transfers are irreversible. Once your Sweat lands in the exchange wallet, sell it, usually by converting it first into USDT and then trade USDT to PHP. Most exchanges have simple converts feature or trading tab to do this instantly. And now your crypto is in pesos sitting inside the exchange. And the final step is cashing out to GCash. If your exchange supports GCash directly via 2P2, go to withdraw or 2P2 trading and choose PHP GCash. Select a trusted merchant and then enter your GCash number. Confirm the trade and you will receive funds in GCash, usually in minutes. If direct GCash isn't supported, just withdraw to a local bank that's linked to your GCash account, like BPI or Union Bank, and transfer from there. And that's it guys, from steps to coins to cold hard pesos in GCash. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.